define the term Eid.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajmain, amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. The word Eid means something which is habitual. It also means to return. It also means to repeat. In short, Eid means it is a recurring event. And it can also be used for a particular place which people visit periodically. It can also mean a time period where a particular act is done regularly. The plural of Eid is Ayad. It is a day of gathering. The Eid is derived from the Arabic word Ada, which means to return. And people return this event every year. That's Eid. And Ibn al-Arabi, he says that the reason Eid is called because it returns the happiness every year. And the word Eid, some people say, is also derived from Ada, which means the custom, which means tradition. So people accustomed to celebrating Eid, therefore the word Eid is there. According to Musnad Ahmad, volume number 3, hadith number 12006, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam one day enters the city of Medina, and before, in the days of Jahiliyyah, in the days of ignorance, the people from Medina used to celebrate 2 days of sports and amusement. One was the day of Nairuz, which was the New Year. The other was the day of Maharajan, which was the final day of the year. So Prophet ﷺ says that you people in the days of Jahiliyyah used to celebrate 2 days with sports and amusement. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala replaced it with 2 better days. The days of Nahar, that is the day of sacrifice, and the day of Fitr, that is the day of breaking, indicating the Eidain, the 2 Eid we have, Eid al-Adha and the Eid al-Fitr. They are replaced with the previous days of Jahiliyyah. So here we come to know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has replaced the days of Jahiliyyah, where people used to enjoy with play and amusement, with days that are better, the day of sacrifice, the day of forgiveness, etc., which is much better for them for this world as well as for the Akhirah.